Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we got another 2024 Road Glide in the shop for an audio upgrade. We went with our plug and play package, so it's Arc Audio PSM Pro, the Sound Digital evox 2 800.4, and this is a 2-speaker setup only, so we did the Cicada CHX weatherproof carbon fiber coax. We did the 800.4 bridged, so the amplifier's doing full power, and theoretically the speakers are getting 400 watts a piece, yada, yada, yada. 100% plug and play, no cutting of the amp bracket, no cutting of the headlight. Factory amp stays, output of the factory amp goes into the input of the DSP, no hiss, no distortion. The base model is actually easier to tune than CVO because there's so much less signal going into the DSP that it doesn't overdrive the inputs like it does on the CVO. So we can actually program these for the volume to go all the way up, 3/4 of the way up, 80%, whatever the client wants. So we can bring it all the way up with no distortion. We can set it up however the client likes it. I actually don't like having to click it all the way up to get the bike nice and loud. So I like to tune it to like 75, 80% to get max undistorted output. There's a lot of back and forth and a lot of arguments going on. We've been doing this kit since August the same way. We have not blown a factory amplifier. We have not voided the warranty. We have not had any issues. And now I've seen that a few companies have finally come around and realized that this is the only way to do it for now. So they've all come up with their own plug and play solutions. One of the solutions has you splicing wires under the fairing. There is no splicing on our kit, 100% guaranteed. I promise you that. Literally everything plugs into the factory plugs. And what's great about our solution, and this client already knows, we spoke about it, you can upgrade. So when the A to B interface comes out, as long as the box is small enough, we're gonna be able to do 2 amplifiers in the fairing without cutting. So that's gonna be great. But this is an awesome solution for now. And for us, it's when we do a stage 1 or stage 2, it's always an evox 800.4 anyway. So it's not like we did anything different for this bike. Sent the client the video, he's super excited. Really good sounding 2-speaker bike. This is actually going to be a 4-speaker bike, but we're waiting for his lids to come in from the dealer, so we sent it out as a 2-speaker bike for now. And then when the lids come in, we're gonna unbridge the amplifier, swap the front speakers to 2 ohms, and then do the 6 pines in the back. And we've already pre-run our harness to the back, so it's already wired. In our harness kit, when we do the rear speakers, we actually don't like to get the factory kit because you end up cutting a big hole like this. Anybody that's done the Harley Davidson Audio by Rockford knows that it's a big 8 that you have to cut in the saddlebag. And then it makes more sense when you have a CVO because you have the speaker, amplifiers in the saddlebag, and the power locks. For the non-CVO bikes, it does make sense because you're putting that big ass hole in the saddlebag for only 2 wires, just the speakers. So, and then you have to pin the factory harness. We actually run new harnesses from the front, do our quick disconnects like we normally do. A small hole, I believe the hole was 3/8 of an inch, or just under 1/2 inch. And then we use the waterproof grommets to hold the wire in place. So this bike's already pre-wired, so when the lids do come in, we just have to swap the lids and unbridge the amplifier. But check it out, 0 cutting, 100% plug and play, sounds phenomenal. That's it. Thank you guys. Fits a lot better on the non-CVO than it does on the CVO because that extra 1/2 inch allows the amp to lay down completely flat, no cutting, no modification. Factory amp, aftermarket amp, PSM Pro DSP, no cutting.
I need a companion, girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, fucking like no other. Don't you tell